Hello viewers, hope you are doing good. Let's talk a little about cancer. I will conclude my video in few steps. Be sure to stay with us until the very last moment. In our video we will be talking about what is cancer, how does cancer develop, causes and prevention of cancer, rules of antioxidant in cancer or any other problem, and treatment for cancer. If you feel it's worthy of making this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now what is cancer? Cancer is actually a disease in which some of the body cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other part of the body. Cancer can start almost anywhere on the body, which is made up of trillions of cells. Normally human cells grow and multiply through a process called cell division to form new cells as the body needs them. When cells grow old or become damaged, they die by the process known as apoptosis and new cells take their place. Sometimes this orderly process breaks down and abnormal or damaged cells grow and multiply when they shouldn't. These cells may form tumors, which are lumps of tissues. Tumor can be cancerous, malignant or non-cancerous, also known as benign. Cancerous tumors spread into or invade nearby tissue and can travel to distant places in the body to form new tumors. Cancerous tumor may also be called malignant tumors. Many cancers form solid tumors, but cancer of blood such as leukemia generally do not. Benign tumors or non-cancerous tumors do not spread into or invade nearby tissue. When removed, benign tumors usually don't grow back, whereas cancerous or malignant tumors sometimes do. Benign tumors can sometimes be quite large. However, some can cause serious symptoms or be life-threatening, such as benign tumors in the brain. Now, how and why does cancer develop? Cancer is actually a genetical disease that is caused by change to gene that control the way our cells function, especially how they grow and divide. Genetic changes that cause cancer can happen because of an error that occurs as the cell divide. Damage to the DNA caused by harmful substance in the environment, such as the chemical, the tobacco or ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The body normally eliminates cells with damaged DNA before they turn cancerous, but the body ability to do so goes down as we age. This is a part of the reason why there is a higher risk of cancer later in life. It means if someone is above 40, he may have high chances of developing cancer. Sometimes some tumors or tissue change are not actually cancers. They may develop into cancer if they are not treated. Now, what are the causes and prevention for cancer? Yes, there are things you can do that makes getting cancer less likely. This include your routine and habit changes. So the first and most important thing you can do is to avoid smoking. Not smoking is the biggest thing you can do to reduce your risk of cancer. Chemicals in the cigarette smoke get into our bloodstream and can cause damage around the body. If you smoke, the best thing you can do for your health is to quit that smoking. Keep a healthy weight. Being a healthy weight has a lot of benefits, including reducing the risk of cancer. Making small changes can help you to be healthier. Enjoy the sun safely. Being safe in the sun reduces the risk of skin cancer. When the sun is strong in hot summer, it's important to protect your skin from the UV radiation. Spend less time in the sun and more time in the shade. Cover your skin with cloths and use sunscreen or sunblock. Cutting down on alcohol is good for your health. Get moving. Get moving means be active. Being active is good for you and help you to be a healthy weight. You don't have to join a gym. You can do things like walking, playing cricket, playing football or other physical activity. If you are very active, it reduces your risk of getting cancer. Let's talk a little about antioxidant and what is the role of antioxidant in your body or with cancer. So basically antioxidants are chemicals that interact with and neutralize free radicals in your body, thus preventing them from causing damage to your tissue and cells. Antioxidants are also known as free radical scavengers. Antioxidant has been shown to prevent the types of free radical damage that have been associated with cancer development. Example of dietary Antioxidants include beta-carotene, lycopene and vitamin E. Mineral element selenium is often thought to be a dietary antioxidant. The sources of antioxidant include green, red or black tea, olivia, both is a fruit and leaves, carrot, garlic, lemon, turmeric, clove, walnut, avocados, grapes, green vegetables and fruits. Treatment of cancer based on a type of cancer, its stage, its diagnosis and the person's overall health. I hope this video might be helpful for you.